Good morning, everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy and that you have a joyful day. Um, this is the first week of our class. Every Sunday, I will send an announcement letting you know what's coming up for the week. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's what you will see the topics being covered this week. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar or Canvas. Here's a summary of what is coming due this week. I just want to remind you that this class is fully online, meaning asynchronous, meaning we don't meet on Zoom. Everything, assignments, exam discussions, lectures, everything is on Canvas. Chapter 1, short quiz due on February 21st by 11:59. Don't stress much about this assignment. These are short quizzes set up mainly as a review to make sure you are keeping up with the reading of the chapters. Are you still getting points, and so they have to get done. Remember that some questions in the regular exams may come from these quizzes. Make sure these quizzes are completed by the deadline so you won't lose the points. I set up an extra credit syllabus quiz that is due on Canvas Sunday, February 21st by 11:59 p.m. While the assignment is extra credit, I strongly encourage you to do it so you may know the ins and outs of the syllabus. I also set up a virtual icebreaker so we get to know each other. Please post your response by Sunday, February 21st, and also introduce yourselves to a minimum of 2 of your classmates by saying hi, hey, or what's up, and perhaps more. I posted my introduction as an example. This week we're going to focus on Chapter 1, Getting to Know the Golden State. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules. There are many versions, including a phone-friendly HTML version. Read the lecture notes, read the respective textbook pages as indicated on the schedule, and last but not least, watch the lecture videos. Make sure and keep up with the key concept assignments by writing your definitions on the template as you read the assigned pages for each chapter. This assignment is not due until March 13, but if you keep up with the chapters, it won't be as burdensome when the deadline approaches. In an online course, you are required to log in on Canvas regularly, preferably daily. I monitor closely your activity in the course, and this is how I take attendance in an online class. If you are inactive on Canvas, which means you are absent, I may drop you. If you send me an email or an inbox from Canvas, please look at the syllabus for the proper way to compose your email or message. I'm attaching it here. Emails only merit a response if they are right in the following format. So you want to do a salutation, either Professor Cortez or Mr. Cortez. Make sure you indicate what class it is, the Geography 140. So you have to say something like, I'm working on my essay, I'm having a problem with something, I read the chapter but I like more information. Can you please help me understand this and that assignment, concept, whatever. Can I schedule an appointment to be at another time during your office hours? Stuff like that. I need to be specific, and please make sure you identify yourself clearly. Please save your life and those of others by staying home. I know these times of uncertainty can be stressful and scary for all of us. Please stay informed about this COVID-19 pandemic. Follow common sense procedures such as washing your hands and keeping them sanitized, covering your mouth when you are in public, and do it only if absolutely necessary. Make sure surfaces you touch, such as pockets, are sanitized. Follow the directives from the Governor of California to shelter in place, avoid close contact with other people, maintain social distancing. Stay away from crowd events, mostly are canceled anyway. And most important, take care of one another. And of course, those most vulnerable, like your elderly relatives, who may be your parents, your grandparents, or your older uncles and aunts. This crisis will go away one day, but we need to make sure we make it out of it safe and healthy. Have a great rest of the weekend. I will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.